How to set a camera timer on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, in the camera app, go to the top here and tap on the timer icon. So that is the icon right next to the flashlight. So tap on that, and from here, you can choose a 2-second timer, 5-second timer, or a 10-second timer. And that's it. So select one of the option. And then we go back here and then tap on the shutter button to start taking a photo. If you select a 10-second option, it will start to count down from 10 seconds down to 0, at which point it will start to take a picture. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.